Welcome back to the Graphics Design Beginner course from LearnCity. My name is Kehinde, and today we're going to be talking about what graphic design is. Now, I am assuming you bought this course because you have an idea of what graphics design is, because probably you've seen a flyer before or an ad on TV, you've seen a business card or a newspaper or magazine design. So by virtue of that, I believe you have a knowledge of what graphics design is, but I'll give you a more industry-based kind of definition that captures the essence of what graphics design is. So what is graphics design? I personally define graphics design as a combination of the two foundations of design to pass across a message to the target audience. So note I said graphics design is a combination of two foundations of design to pass across a message to the target audience. So what does that mean? Now, there are two basic pillars on which graphic design stands, which are the elements of design and the principles of design. In the following class, we're going to be discussing those extensively. But what graphic design really is that you combine both the elements of design, which involves things like line, text, space, color, images, and so on, and you combine it with design principles like contrast, hierarchy, to be able to pass across a message to a person in a way that they will understand and respond to. Now, you know that there are many ways to pass across a message to a person. You could write it on a note, you could say it to them. Now, graphic design is also a means of passing across that information. So what do we do in graphics design? Basically, what we do is we get a message that wants to be passed across. Say, for example, I want to sell my product. I want to sell a laptop, for example. I would package that information using the design principles and elements and then present it to my intended target audience or my buyers, my customers, in a way that, number one, it will grab their attention and also let them know what I'm trying to say. So that is the whole essence of graphics design. So graphics design is literally a combination of the design elements and design principles to pass across a message to an intended audience. There are many branches of graphics design. Some people call it visual design, right? We have illustration, you can become an illustrator. We have infographics, you can become an infographics designer. We have product design. We have quite a number of those areas of design. But the thing about all of those areas of design is that they make use of the same elements and principles in their work. So once you're able to understand the elements and principles, which I refer to as the fundamentals of design, otherwise known as the theory of design, you'll be able to choose and work in any of these areas of design that you wish to work in. So that is the introduction to graphics design. Graphics design is a combination of design elements and principles to pass across a message to a target audience. Do you understand that? In the next class, I'm going to be speaking about the elements of design. Remember, I said design is built on two foundations, elements and principles. I'm going to be doing a deep dive into some of the elements of design, which would help you to become a better designer. See you in the next class.